In today's video, I'm going to teach you Background Remover, Transparent Background. We'll use Canva in your browser to remove a background and export a transparent PNG, and then I'll show you how to separate a photo from a layered or grouped background using Detach from Background. By the end, you'll know when to use each option and how to get clean, professional results. Start by opening Canva in your browser. Open an existing design or create a new one at any size, whatever suits your project. Click the image you want to edit so it's clearly selected. At the top toolbar, click Edit Image, then choose Background Remover. Canva will process the photo for a few seconds and automatically remove the background. Now, check the edges carefully. If you notice any leftover background or parts of your subject missing, use the Erase and Restore tools to refine the cutout. Adjust the brush size to handle tiny details like hair or corners, and zoom in to be more precise. Take your time here. Clean edges make the biggest difference in quality. When you're happy with the result, click Done. To keep the transparent background, go to Share, click Download, and choose PNG. PNG supports transparency, so your subject will remain cut out when you place it over different colors, graphics, or photos in other designs. Download the file, and you're ready to use it wherever you need. Now, let's cover a slightly different scenario. If your photo is part of a grouped or layered background and you don't want to remove anything automatically, you can separate the layers instead. With your design open in Canva, click the image or uploaded photo that's part of that background group. In the top toolbar, click Edit Image and select Detach from Background. Canva will separate the foreground and background into independent layers. Once detached, you can move your subject freely, edit it, or delete the background layer on its own. This is ideal when you want to rearrange elements without losing the original backdrop. Make any adjustments your layout needs. Reposition items, scale them, or refine the composition. When you're done, download your design as needed. If you require transparency for overlays, choose PNG during download just like before. A few quick tips as you work. Photos with strong contrast between subject and background usually yield the cleanest automatic removals, and small brushstrokes are better than large ones when refining edges. With these tools and practices, you can produce clear, polished cutouts and flexible layered designs right inside Canva.